Question 9.44 says complete the following nuclear equation. So we need to balance this nuclear equation. And if it's too small to see, we have platinum. So we have platinum 190, and it's undergoing decay to give us an alpha particle plus something. And we need to figure out what that something is. You would remember that an alpha particle has an atomic number of 2 and a mass number of 4, because an alpha particle is essentially a helium nucleus, which is 2 protons and 2 neutrons. And in order to balance this equation, we have to ask ourselves, what plus 4 is going to give me 190? And the answer to that is 186. So what we're looking for must have a mass number of 186. And then in terms of my atomic number, we would ask ourselves, what plus 2 is going to give me 78? And the answer to that is 76. 76 plus 2 is equal to 78. Then I go over to the periodic table and I look for element 76. And element 76 is OS, which is osmium. And so the answer is osmium 186. The next question also involves alpha decay because we're losing an alpha particle. And we need to balance this out. And we see that we're producing thorium-214 and the alpha particles. And so in order to balance out the mass number, we're going to tally up the total of the mass number from thorium and from our alpha particles. So that's 214 plus 4, so that would be 218. And then for our atomic number, we're going to do the same thing because it has to balance out. And the total on the product side is 92, which comes from 90 plus 2. So that's 92. Then we go over to the periodic table and we look up element 92, which is U, which is uranium. And so the answer is uranium-218 decays to produce thorium-214 and an alpha particle.